LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts. Notice, the repair process is different for every laptop model. At LaptopInventory.com, we have created a database with thousands of free laptop repair videos. Simply go to LaptopInventory.com. Select your laptop brand, series and model, and find the exact repair video for your laptop. Remove the laptop battery. Remove the screws. Remove the cover. Gently pry out the hard drive. We will now install the new hard drive. Slide the hard drive back in the laptop. That's all. You just replaced your laptop hard drive. LaptopInventory.com, your source for laptop parts.